Wildfires can spread with quite astonishing speed, but it's not always the flames that pose the greatest danger. Smoke, particularly toxic gases, flying embers, and winds that can change direction really quickly can all put lives at risk long before the fire reaches a home. So in this video, I'll show you how to help protect both your property and, far more importantly, the people living in it. Now, many people imagine a wall of flames moving steadily towards them, and in reality, wildfires are far less predictable. Burning embers can be carried hundreds of yards, sometimes much further, starting new fires well ahead of the main blaze. Smoke can reduce visibility to almost nothing, making roads difficult to follow and increasing the chance of accidents during an evacuation. And even if flames never reach your home, breathing smoke can be very dangerous, particularly for children, older adults, and anyone with asthma or other health conditions. Strong winds can also change the direction of a wildfire very quickly, cutting off escape routes with little warning. One of the best ways to reduce the risk is by creating a defensible space around your home. Keep the area nearest the house free of dry leaves, long grass, stacked firewood, anything else that can be inflammable. Trim shrubs and trees. Keep long grass short so flames can't easily spread from one to another. Regularly clear leaves from your roof and gutters, particularly on flat roofs covered in bituminous felt. Small improvements like ember resistant vents and double glazed windows can also make a real difference. Now, no matter how well prepared your home is, protecting lives always comes first. So plan how everyone will leave if an evacuation is ordered. Know at least 2 ways out of your neighbourhood in case one route is blocked. And decide where family members will meet if you become separated. If you have pets, make sure they're included in your plans. And don't forget your neighbours, they may need help as well. Keep your car fueled and ready, and have what we call a just-in-case bag ready with medicines, important documents, drinking water, clothing, a phone charger, other essentials. Now, when a wildfire threatens, pay close attention to official warnings, and if you're told to leave, don't mess about, do it straight away. Waiting to see the fire can be extremely dangerous because conditions can change in minutes. Close your windows and doors before leaving if time allows, but don't delay your escape trying to protect possessions. Homes can be rebuilt. Possessions can be repurchased. People can't. So here's a final thought. Wildfires are becoming more common in many parts of the world, but preparation can dramatically reduce the risks. Looking after your home is important, but having a clear escape plan, understanding the dangers of smoke, and leaving early when necessary are the best ways to protect yourself and your family. Now, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more practical guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.